What's up, guys? Bobcat here. So I'm on the wall job and just grading up, finishing up, and the homeowner here wanted his gutter drains tied in. He had an existing drain coming from the back of the house, running out to daylight towards the front. It's solid pipe. So we marked it out where it was, the pipe. I dug it up, and it's all about 18 inches. But we got pitch coming down to the pipe. But yeah, it's 4-inch solid pipe, the whole system here. So basically, you dig it out, and then you got your pipes, and you have to have a section here. You know, measure everything as you go, obviously, but you put this on first that the leader, gutter leader, goes into, and then however long of a 4-inch piece you need there down to the elbow. And then first what I did was I tied into this right here. So what I did was I took one of the T connectors and cut it, and I had to dig back this side and this side so I could, you know, I dug all around the pipe, and it's hard to hook them up when there's already to an existing pipe already. It's tough because you don't want to disturb the other pipe, but you dig back far enough, you can get the little bit of movement you need, plus with like a screwdriver, and then you lift it up, and then slowly as you push it all, you just basically push it down together, and they fold in. It's a pain, but, and then I checked it with my level, and I still got pitch. So the T, and then I cut a little section there. I measured what I needed here, a little piece that was like a 6-inch piece, and then I had another that was like a 22 elbow, and then I believe so, yeah, and then measured the last section up to that, and then so that's how you do it. You connect it from out here, then up to there, put it in, check everything for pitch, and then I hand dug, you know, put some fill in under the pipe a little bit wherever there were voids, so nothing would, you know, move or nothing. Got some dirt under the pipe, and then now I'm gonna backfill. But so that was that one, and then we had this one. This is the other one. It's like I said, this pipe goes out to daylight. But yeah, this one was easier. Not put just because I didn't have that extra connection over there, but yeah, I measured the T, measured what I had to cut. I used my cutoff saw for all this cutting, and made the cut and dug this back, so I had a little bit of movement. I was able to get it in there, and then measured from here to that elbow over there. Same thing, put that up to the gutter leader, and backfilled, put some dirt under it, and now it's ready for backfill. But yeah, so it's not too bad. It's just a pain in the ass getting it connected when it's already, like I said, existing pipe. Usually, like, you know, you repair a sewer or something, you use a Fernco, which is you know, usually like a 6-inch piece of rubber hose, and with 2 clamps on each side, and then this way you slide it on one pipe past it, and then you know, just slide it over to the next one. Let me see if I have one to show you. No, I don't have a Fernco, but just for instance,
It looks like this, but it's rubber, and it would have a clamp here and a clamp over here, and then you would slide it on the pipe past everything, put the pipe down and everything, and then slide it back over the connection, have it in the middle. Then you would tighten each clamp. That's the way you do it with sewer pipe and everything. I don't know if they do it with just a little 4-inch drainage pipe. I always just try to put them together like I did. You know, yeah, I was just showing you the difference. But anyways, yeah, so make a little video here of me backfilling it now with the Komatsu PC28. Oh yeah. Big time now.
there's a little bit of action, excavator action, mini excavator action. But yeah, just backfilling it. I'll put that little bit around the gutter. I'll do that by hand, compact it in there, and then I'll hit it with the front blade. Both parts. I just gotta do this one now, and same thing. But yeah, I just want to show a little video what I was up to today. Just hooking up a couple of these gutters, leaders. So that's all set. Looks better anyways. Alright guys, thanks for watching, subscribing and all that. And we'll see you on another video. Alright.